Both easy to grow and incredible to look at, these colorful succulents can brighten up your garden and rooms in an instant. Find the best ones below. 1. Sticks on fire. Popularly known as pencil cactus, the sap of this euphorbia family plant is toxic. For the best color, grow it in full to part sun. 2. California sunset. This succulent has echeveria-like rosettes. The main attraction is its orange-pink color. To make it look best, don't grow it in the shade. 3. Santa Rita prickly pear. This upright succulent plant has very attractive fleshy pads. This architectural plant grows best in hot climates, USDA zones 9 through 12. 4. Blue glow agave. It's a cross between agave attenuata and agave akawai. It can grow up to 2 feet tall and wide similarly, and tolerate cold temperature down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit, -6 Celsius. 5. Campfire plant. Grow it in ample sunlight and it will show you why it's known as campfire plant. It's not cold tolerant, and you'll need to keep it indoors in winters in a cool climate. 6. Echeveria wine red. Not just the tips, but the whole plant can turn into this beautiful red wine color. It's a rare variety. If you want one of the best colorful succulents, this is it. 7. Paddle plant. When grown in full sunlight and put into slight stress, the paddle plant flushes with beautiful rosy color. 8. Red aloe. This dramatic aloe species turned to outstanding copper red in the summer heat. It's native to Zimbabwe and Malawi. 9. Blue chalk sticks. The bluish-green foliage is easy to care for and grows upright to about a foot long. Being a drought-tolerant plant, you'll only need to water it once in 3 to 4 weeks once established. 10. Golden barrel cactus. It is covered with showy pointy spines that look like a web from a distance. It's a perfect choice for your succulent collection, but keep it out of the reach of kids and pets. 11. Purple beauty. The rosette of purple leaves makes this plant incomparable when placed in the bright sun outdoors. Overwintering is easy as they are incredibly frost-hardy. 12. Baby's necklace. Not only the name, but its shape is also unique, with red-edged leaves stacked like beads on a baby's necklace. Protect it from fungal diseases by never letting it sit in water. 13. Golden-toothed aloe. It's a rosette-forming succulent that multiplies very quickly and creates a glorious show of red-tinted leaves. The most distinctive feature is its golden tooth. 14. Sunset jade. Also known as golden jade tree, this variety turns golden yellow with red margins in full sun. The thick, woody, succulent branches make it a natural bonsai specimen. 15. Dragon's blood. This cold-tolerant stone crop is grown as a ground cover. Leaves turn to outstanding bronze red in late summer and then red in the fall. You can also grow in hanging baskets. 16. Coppertone stone crop. Like all sedums, this one too thrives on neglect and drought and heat tolerance once established. In full sun, leaves are copper gold, whereas they show a yellow-green tint in the partial shade. 17. Morning light echeveria. It's a beautiful hybrid variety with short stems and a rosette that spans 6 inches in diameter. Orange-red flowers and their bluish lavender leaves with pink edges make it an eye-pleasing succulent. 18. Black beauty. When grown in full sun, the burgundy and green leaves of this exotic succulent turn almost black. It can grow up to 4 to 5 feet tall. 19. Black Knight. There aren't many succulents that have such dark shaded foliage. It fits perfectly well in small containers and doesn't do well in cold and frost. 20. Chroma. The foliage is shiny and fleshy and ranges from deep red to maroon in color. It's an attractive addition to any home decor setting and looks even more pleasant in winters. 21. Woolly Senecio. The distinctive feature is the snow-white leaves that set it apart from other succulents. Hard to find, but worth having. 22. Bronze Graptosedum. Although the yellow flowers are inconspicuous, its lovely reddish bronze shaded foliage steals the show. Any leaf falling off the plant can easily be used to propagate a new plant. 23. Moon Cactus. It's one of the best cacti you can grow in small pots. A great plant to keep on coffee tables and desks. This plant is surely one of the best colorful succulents. 24. Living Stones. It's a stemless succulent with leaves fused together and resemble a polished gray or beige marble splashed with shades of green, yellow, lilac, and blue. Large yellowish flowers contrast the leaves. 25. House Leek. Also known as hens and chicks, it has beautiful green rosette of leaves with purple tips. Some varieties have shades of red over green leaves. 26. Queen Victoria Agave. Sculptured geometrical leaves with streaks of white make it an unrivaled architectural plant. It's also known as royal agave. 27. Blue-beaked yucca. Commonly grown as an ornamental landscape plant, it's quite enormous. The thin, long leaves are mounted on the trunk and bring a tropical feel to any space. 28. Lavender Scallops. Also known as Kalanchoe stonecrop, its stems take root wherever they touch the ground. Go for the flowering varieties if you fancy long-lasting and colorful flowers. 29. Mengave Macho Mocha. When mature, it grows as wide as 6 feet and looks glorious with the thick, fleshy purple-gray green leaves. It has purple spots all over it, and on the end of the leaves, the spots are so dense that the foliage appears to be purple. 30. Sunburst Aeonium. It's a branching succulent that grows on stalks that can reach a height of 15 to 20 inches. Rosette of variegated leaves in green and yellow looks charming and does well in bright shade to full sun. 31. Purple Heart. If purple is your go-to color, then you'll surely love this succulent. Even the flowers are purple and grow on vigorously growing stems. 32. Red Edge Echeveria. 4 to 6 hours of direct sun each day and you'll have the best possible show of colors. Perfect to have as a focal point in a small succulent container garden. 33. Zebra Plant. This stemless pocket-sized succulent is known for beautiful white zebra-like stripes on deep green leaves. Growing it is easy. 34. Red Pagoda. Crassula genus has some excellent colorful succulents, and one of them is this eye-catching beauty. It thrives well in full sun, but doesn't mind some shade. 35. Cheyenne. The blue-gray rosette of this succulent looks amazing in small, light-colored pots. To ensure it gets the best color, keep it where it gets full sun. 36. Briar Rose Echeveria. Briar Rose is a beautiful succulent with short stems and forms compact rosettes of pastel green leaves with pink edges. It turns more colorful during the winter months. 37. Silver on Red Echeveria. Silver and Red is a lovely succulent that forms a rosette of plumped, undulated leaves in shades of deep red with bright red margins. Its leaves have a silvery coating. 38. Giant Red Aeonium. This colorful succulent shows off rosettes of dark red bronze leaves on 4 to 5 foot tall stems. You can propagate aeonium by stem cuttings easily too. 39. Happy Plant. This colorful succulent forms beautiful rosettes of blue-green leaves with a thick cover of powdery dust. The leaf tips develop a bluish-pink to burgundy hue when placed under direct sun. 40. Pink Champagne. This slow-growing rosette-forming succulent is appreciated for its striking light pink leaves. It is best for contrasting small pots. 41. Blue Carpet Sedum. The blue-green leaves of this succulent are tightly clumped, which makes it a stunning addition in pots. It also looks great in hanging baskets. 42. Black Knight Echeveria. Black Knight features dark purple fleshy leaves that almost appear black. The plant also produces coral red flowers when grown in full sunlight. 43. Ruby's Necklace. Ruby's Necklace is a pretty trailing succulent with long, bean-like, narrow purple to green and burgundy leaves on purple stems. 44. Pink Moonstone. Pink Moonstone shows off a rosette of pink leaves that have a blue lavender hue, too. The fleshy leaves have a coating of powdery white or silver fine hairs. 45. Job's Beard. This gorgeous sempervivum showcases a rosette of round gray to green pointed leaves with a deep purple hue. For the best color, place the plant where it receives maximum sun. 46. Jelly Bean Sedum. This colorful evergreen succulent has jelly bean-shaped pink leaves that fade into white or pale green tones. Intensify the pink shade by placing the plant in bright light. 47. Purple Giant. This perennial succulent forms beautiful rosettes of dark purple-green leaves. It flowers in white to purple colored blooms. 48. Tricolored Sedum. The beautiful variegation of 4 colors makes this sedum stand out. It does best in direct sunlight and looks awesome while cascading down the hanging baskets. 49. Variegated Jade Plant. Also popular as lemon and lime, it displays a bright shade of yellow and green in its foliage. The plant also grows star-shaped white flowers with a pink hue. 50. Variegated Strings of Heart. The trailing stems of Strings of Heart catch the attention of everyone with their heart-shaped leaves. This one stands out with its stunning variegation of multiple colors. And there you have it, 50 colorful succulents that will add magic to any space. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gardening inspiration. See you in the next video.